is it going, guys? And welcome to Big Mood. In this episode we're gonna be fixing a clanking noise that is driving me crazy. So basically we're gonna be changing two parts that after visual inspection I think they could be the ones making the clanking noise. The first one is the steering damper. This is a device that basically is mounted to the steering linkage, and main goal is to absorb road shocks and allowing a smoother handling experience. And the second one, exhaust hangers, also known as rubber donuts, responsible for keeping the exhaust in place, which in my case was moving a lot. So, none of the parts that we changed were actually the issue. Clanking noise is still there and the feeling is so frustrating. So here's the good thing. I checked online and apparently sway bar links, when they go bad, they make that type of clanking noise. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna see if I can get those parts and we're gonna replace them. So after calling and trying to do a lot of research, I was able to get both of the sway bar links genuine, original Mercedes-Benz parts. The only thing though is that with this guy, we'll have to go to Coral Gables. This is about 50 minutes distance from home, and I'm excited, I'm pumped. It's the only place we're able to get it, and yeah, why not to take it for a ride. Thank you very much, Tony.
You're very welcome.
Okay, I'm so happy. The final moment of truth. Let's see. What? Yes! 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 Yes!